give you two incidents whereby you cannot compare. I'm not mentioning any player. I'm saying you cannot. I'm talking about the greatness of that person who was wearing jersey number 10. That person who was wearing jersey number 10, at the age of 15, he was the youngest professional soccer player in South Africa. At the age of 15, he scored his first goal. At 15. I'm not saying 26 or 27. 15, I scored my first professional goal. At the age of 17, he flew out of the country to go and play for Sporting Lisboa in Portugal. So I closed it there, 15 and 17. Now, you want to compare me with people who are 27, 28. I think it's uncomparable. You can't compare.